Hi, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Gala video update. Alright, so Gala, yesterday what was the conversation about? It was about it's normal for a pattern to be destroyed, okay? Now if you focus on those simple English letters and words, it's normal for a pattern to be invalidated. But the question is the pattern even invalidated to begin with in the first place? Yes or no? No, the pattern still is not invalidated. You still have left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You're still under the neckline. Now, it's the irony about it is that you retested it for the first time and you wanted to crash down and people are shorting. So the market maker decided, you know what? We're going to take liquidations here. Let's pump it back up. And they took it again. But the problem is that the pattern is still there. That's the problem. Stop losses being taken is not the problem right now. That's not even the focus. The focus is a neckline. The neckline that is still not getting destroyed. You try to cross above here. Bitcoin is looking good momentarily. And I thought it's going to cross. But still, it's a disappointment and you're still failing to cross such an important level. I don't know why, but some altcoins did break out and they pushed up. Jasmine did it. Some few other coins did actually made the move to the upside. Now Gala just made this move only and not anything else, but this move still is useless because you're having this one support, second support, third support, fourth support, touchdown, moving up, getting rejection right over there. We still have a technical target and we still have a problem to go down there, because what I wanted to see and what I told you in yesterday's video is that you must be coming up here and you must break it and hold above it to continue higher, which is totally not there. That's a problem. That's an issue, guys. Now let's go into the RSI as well, because I'm looking at the RSI for quite a while for a lot of coins here. Now the RSI is not completely overbought. This is a good thing, but unfortunately on the chart you're still having resistance up there, and you can still continue to flip down from here, and then you also flip down from there because you're failing to cross that one important level. Let's go into the daily and let's look at the daily time frame as well. So if today you end up making a red candle next to this green candle as well, then you potentially are going to be combining these two candles to a bearish army and then go all the way down for Gala once again. So it's still an issue, guys. The pattern is still in play and it's not destroyed, and that's what I'm going to leave you with. So that's pretty much it for this Gala video update. Thanks for watching these videos, and keep liking them so that YouTube gets to forward them to other people. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.